We're going to tell you 8 things you can't take on a cruise and even 3 that can get you thrown in jail. I'm Jacita.
And I'm Zaire from petwaytravel. Now look, I never met a rule that I liked. I was plotting, I was scheming, I was looking for loopholes, and this is what I came to. I spent over a year compiling this list, and I was able to nail the banned items down to the top 11, and even one insane rule that Carnival just started that's taken thousands out of my pocket. So let's go. We're gonna start right off the back with handcuffs. Don't take them. You can do something strange for a little bit of change on the balcony, just don't do it with handcuffs. They're gonna confiscate them, and they're gonna think you're trying to kidnap the cruise director. Don't do it.
Alright y'all, knives. Now on our last cruise, we were going through security. And one thing you don't want to hear is, ma'am, that is a weapon. I look over and there's this old couple and this lady had a 10-inch blade.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Next, sandals. Now you can take sandals, it's just certain things you can't do with sandals on. So you want to do Family Feud? Gotta have open-toed or closed-toed shoes. Want to ride the boat roller coaster? Gotta have closed-toed shoes. So what you can do is you can get water shoes and wear those around the ship. You still get a breeze, and it feels like you have on sandals, but you don't. Yeah.
Now this is going to be the first thing that can get you thrown in jail. No puff give y'all. Don't do it. Don't try to sneak it. No brownies, no vape pens, no oils, no gummies. Just no.
Yeah. Alright. So as you see, we got on our Petway Travel shirts.
Hey.
Now if you have any cruise questions or need any cruise help or any cruise bookings, check out Petway Travel. We'll put the link in the description below. Alright. And so the next thing is liquor. Now you can take a bottle of wine, 750 milliliters, but you can't take the hard liquor. So I would be upset if I bought a bottle and they threw it away and I had to buy another one once I got on the ship. I mean, you got a 30% chance of getting through, but I would be pissed off. Don't take liquor.
Your bathing suit. Now, of course, you're going to bring your bathing suit. We're on a cruise. We're going to the beach.
Yeah.
However, no bathing suits in the main dining room. Save that for the Lido day.
And if you like me, one of y'all said, alright, I just wear nothing. Birthday suit is next.
Yeah.
Don't wear your birthday suit in the main dining room either. Birthday suit. Leave it in your robe. Now here's another one that gets you thrown in jail. Camouflage. Now certain islands do not allow you to wear camouflage. It's against their rules.
Yeah.
And we gotta follow their rules because we're on their island. Places like Jamaica, places like Nassau, Bahamas, you cannot wear camouflage. Don't do it because you're gonna be calling your mama saying, Mom, I need some money. Don't do it. They work.
I call you mom.
You can call your mom, yeah.
Alright, y'all. Irons. I know you want to be clean. I know you want to be sharp and fresh. No irons. Don't bring a good iron because it's not going to make it on the ship with you and you're going to be mad when they say, no, man, that has to stay here. So just leave it at home. Get the iron when you get back.
Right. Alright. So, your political clothes, your offensive clothing, just wear it when you get back. I don't need your shirt to say I'm a libertarian and walk around the ship. I don't care. And even though it's kind of true, we don't need those shirts to say F them kids. Not this weekend. Leave your offensive and the political clothing at home.
Gambling. Now, the only place I can make money is in a casino.
Yeah. And Carnival just started cracking down on that. John Hale just had a post last week that said absolutely not on our ships. It's costing us stocks.
Don't do it.
Alright, so here's the last thing that can get you thrown in jail. You ready for it? You on the edge of your seat? You ready? I bet you can't even remember what it is. Can't even think what it is. The last thing that I'm gonna say that you don't want to bring is you. Listen to me now. Now, somebody appointed you got a warrant. This is what they do. In Texas alone, at the Galveston port, 312 people just got arrested for having warrants. One cat cut off his ankle monitor at the port.
Doing too much.
Went on a cruise and was waiting for him just like this when he got back. Look, if you got a warrant, don't go on no cruise. They definitely gonna set you up. Yeah.
Don't way too much. Way too much. All right. So what we learned is that the juice ain't worth the squeeze. All of this stuff, leave it at home. Do it when you get back.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks for hanging out with us. Check out this video next. And we'll see y'all later. Peace.